Namaste guys, welcome to 3rd December, the Hindu analysis connecting current affair with the static part. So today 3rd December is a very special day. On this day Khudiram Bose was born in 1889 and he was the youngest, I think youngest revolutionary who was hanged at the around age of around 18 years in 1908 on 11th August. So we pay homage to Khudiram Bose. So coming on to the news. The first news that we need to see is the schools close. Supreme Court set a 24-hour deadline for serious action. So what you have to study with regard to this article is the AQI, the NNA AQS, the suffer a graded response action plan. You can also see what is the causes of pollution, like change in the direction during the winter season, like the monsoon winds get reversed. Northeast monsoon takes the place of the southwest monsoon, and in northwestern part of India, westerlies become dominant. So you can see the changes in direction of the wind, reduced wind speed, also the stubble burning, vehicular pollution, the dust storm in the Middle East region, the dip in temperature, the firecrackers, large scale construction and their role in the pollution in the Delhi NCR. And you can also refer the what measures we can take, like providing subsidy for the happy seeder machine and promoting the concept of DSR, direct seeding of rice, the BS6 vehicle, the grab which was set by Supreme Court, like graded response action plan for the Delhi NCR. All you can see with respect to means as well. So coming on to the next news, in the brief section, we can see in the brief section Bihar to hold caste census. So what you can study, that origin of census, like first first in 1872 under the Lord Mayo, but the official census was first time conducted in 1881 under Lord Ripon. And you can also refer the socio-economic caste census that was conducted in 2011 last time, and before that in 1931, and for the policy of Indian government since 1951 regarding the caste census as well. So coming on to the next news, yes, warn before the opening dam, Kerala warns the Kerala tells Tamil Nadu. So what you can refer that yesterday we had covered this article as well, like dam safety bill, the entry 17 of the state list, entry 56 of the union list. You can also write down in comment section that how many entries are there in each list, like union list have how many entries, state list and concurrent list. And you can also see that 42nd amendment in which Mrs. Indira Gandhi had shifted some of the items from the state list to concurrent list. You can also see which were those items. So coming on to the page number 2, this article is very important. Manpower training key to success of cyber station. So what you can refer the concept of dedicated cyber crime police station, like this article is talking about the dedicated cyber crime police station. And you can also refer the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, that is in short form refer as I4C. What are its 7 components? And you can also refer National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal, and also the recently released global cybersecurity index as well. So coming on to the page number 3. On page number 3, very important article regarding the GRAP. 4 years on, the GRAP is yet to evolve. So you have to study what is GRAP in detail. Like in December, this article is telling about in December 2016, the Supreme Court directs formation of the graded response action plan to fight the pollution. So you can refer this complete article as well as the GRAP in detail, either searching on Google or from your static notes as you prefer. So coming on to the page number 4, there is important article on page number 4 regarding the cyclone. 14 Odisha districts on cyclone alert. So what you can study in this article with respect to this article is like tropical cyclone, conditions required for its formation. Generally in Bay of Bengal, more cyclone occurs in Bay of Bengal and less in Arabian Sea. And the reverse trend that we have seen in recent time, like more cyclone in the Arabian Sea. What are its causes? Why climate change is causing these effects? And you can also refer the naming of cyclones in the Indian Ocean region, like World Meteorological Organization and the Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific jointly established some panel on tropical cyclone in 1972 as an intergovernmental body. And you can also see some new countries have joined that in Indian Ocean region in the naming of the cyclones that originates in the Indian Ocean as well. And you can also refer the different names of the cyclone, like in Australia it is known as Willy Willy, in China it is called, in Japan what it is called as, and in USA what it is called as. You can also see that as well. And with respect to this cyclone, you can also refer what is temperate cyclone, that is also known as extratropical cyclone, and its role in the winter rainfall in the northwestern region, also known as the western disturbances in the winter season. So coming on to the page number 6. Page number 6, there is an important article about a white touch to a refreshed green revolution. So recently farmers issue is going on. You can refer this thing with respect to that as well. And this article is all talking about the white revolution and different. You can also see the different color revolution that has happened in India, like green revolution for the agriculture, and yellow revolution, round revolution, uh, golden revolutions, golden fiber revolution. All you can refer what are they can be asked in certain examination other than UPSC also. And you can also refer the cooperative model of farming, and which country originates the cooperative model of farming. I think it was USSR, but you can check it out. And with respect to the cooperative model, you can refer 97th Amendment and the recent Supreme Court judgment of the on the issue of 97th Amendment. You can also refer the role of drought animals, drought, DRAUGST, not DROUGST, drought animal. What are drought animal in enhancing the farmer's income? Like we have set the target of doubling farmers income by 2022, and which committee recommended the DFI? It was Ashok Dalwai committee. So refer Ashok Dalwai committee in detail as well. So this article, another important article about the air pollution, breathing fresh air into the NCR's pollution control. So you can refer this complete article. And what this article is telling about the how we can learn from United Nations Environment Program, and also China's strategy that that they have applied in their own country to fight the pollution, and what are their success, how they get success in controlling pollution in their own country. So what India can learn from that perspective as well. You can refer this complete article as well. So coming on to the yes, page number 7, there's an article, should the state stop focusing on population control? Like we see that certain states focus on population control, like making a two-child policy. So what you can see that recently released National Family Health Survey suggests that India's total fertility rate has already fallen down to a level that is that is known as replacement level 2.1. The TFR of 2.1 is known as replacement level, and India's TFR has already fallen down that replacement level. So what are the need in the current scenario? What is the need for population control? You can also refer the what is demographic dividend, and the recent claims of the scientists that in future overpopulation will not be the cause, but depopulation will be the uh, cause of concern for the upcoming future. So you can refer this article with respect to this as well. So coming on to the page number 8. Page number 8 is governor meets SEC, State Election Commission on civic polls. So what you can refer that, you can write down in comment section that whether State Election Commission is a constitutional body or not, and through which amendment it was introduced. You can write down in comment section, and you can also see the governor and its power in detail from the polity point of view as well. So another important article about the Pica Rebellion to be in the history textbooks. So that is very important article, as one of our minister had said that Pica Rebellion was the first war of Indian independence rather than the 1857 revolt. 1857 revolt. You can also see write down in comment section that who first claimed 1857 revolt as the first war of independence in his book. You can write down in comment section who was he, and also read about the Pica Rebellion, as this is very important. This is very important because since it has completed around 200 years, more than 200 years, it was based in 1817. So 2017 we have completed 200 years. So this is very important. You can see in the in your static part as well. And it was fought. It was revolt took place in 1817 in Odisha. So what you can refer this as well was Bakshi Jagbandhu, how he has led the revolt, what are the causes. You can see this as well. So coming on to the page number 10. Yes, page number 10. Ministry of Defense. This Ministry of Defense allows exemption on the negative list. So what you can refer this, the Defense Indigenization Committee. Yes, here it is, Defense Indigenization Committee. What is this, and what are its role under Chief of Defense Staff? And you can write down in comment section that which committees has recommended the formation of Chief of Defense Staff, and which committee was the recent one to recommend the formation of Chief of Defense Staff. So, and you can also refer the Atmanirbhar Bharat package with respect to this indigenization list as well. So coming on to the page number 11, is this page is very important with respect to international politics. So at least you can refer, as I keep on saying, that at least you can see all the headlines at least. But what you can see here is what Russia is saying, that stop NATO expansion. This has said Russia has said to USA. So what you can see that the NATO, what are the role of NATO and Warsaw Pact with respect to the Cold War in the 20th century, late 20th century, second half of the 20th century, and what is Minsk deal. You can also see what is Minsk deal. So it is very important. Like another important article is the WTO, Women's Tennis Association, has suspended all the events and in China over the Pang concern. So recently Pang Shuai, who was who is missing in the China, is cause of concern. So you can refer this article as well with respect to the international politics. And another important article was the USA slams China dry for hypersonic weapons. So this is very important article, as you can see what is subsonic, a subsonic weapon, what is supersonic, what is hypersonic, and the recently test fired the Avangard and Zircon by Russia, what were their respective speed as claimed by the Russia itself. So coming on to the page number 12. Page number 12, prices fall, price drop. Yes, here it is. Price drop deters sugar export. So what you can refer that, who is the largest producer of sugar, which country is known as sugar bowl of the world, and which state in India is known as sugar bowl of India, and also the fair and remunerative prices that is provided by sugar cane. And you can also refer whether this sugarcane is a tropical plant or a temperate plant. You can also refer what is recovery rate with respect to the sugarcane. So coming on to the text and context page, what you have to see in this page is very important. The tension rise over the Russian border buildup. So this is very important article with respect to international relation point of view. So you can refer this complete article as well, and also the making of the Republic of Barbados. So this is very important as the Barbados has recently removed Queen Elizabeth as their head of state and decided to become a republic. So what is the concept of this republic? What is known? Which form of government is known as a republic? And you can write down in comment section that which country today itself, which country have the Queen Elizabeth as their head of state in today time as well, in today itself. So you can write down in comment section. And so that's all from today's newspaper. Follow our Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you.